Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BAA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So, definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest would be if the price can stay up above this area right here at 17 cents. You can see on several occasions today, or maybe you can't, you see, so that's why I'm going to point it out. But on several occasions right there, the bears try to press down through that 17-cent mark. But to give full credit where credit is due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. And if that can continue, that would definitely be best case. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 17 cents, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay above it, that would be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very, just simplistic point of view, if you're saying, Clay, look, I just want a very easy way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. So as the move happens, how do you gauge the health of that? Well, again, watch that purple line right there. And as the price stays above that purple line, then that just means that the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, the main one that really stands out to me, and the price didn't close very far away from it, but right there about the 23-cent mark, you can see quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. I do realize that the price, got up above it, but to me, I would say that, the main point of, again, quote-unquote congestion seems to be right around 23 cents. If the price can get through 23, the next key level of resistance right up there at the 28-cent mark. But all in all, very solid move, great way to start off the week. So now the question just becomes, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.